Hi, which is the most common route for drug administration? Let me repeat the question. The most common route for drug administration, and you have the following options: rectal, cutaneous, sublingual, none of the above. So just pause this video for a few seconds, try to analyze the answer. Okay, so if you had guessed option D, then it is the right answer. So the most common route for drug administration is oral route. See, rectal route, as you know, certain unpleasant irritant drugs are given either as retention enemas or suppositories for systemic effect. Whereas cutaneous route, lipid soluble drugs, where we are expecting a slow and prolonged duration of action, can be given through cutaneous route. And what about sublingual route? You know, non-irritant drugs, lipid soluble drugs are given through sublingual route, and you can definitely expect rapid absorption, and the action is seen within few minutes, the onset of action, right? So which is the most common route for drug administration? Oral route. So as I mentioned, oral route is one of the oldest and most commonest route of drug administration, and it has several advantages, like it is safe, convenient, painless, and most importantly, it is cheap. And also, a drug in any form, it can be solid or liquid form, can be given through oral route, right? So this is some information pertaining to this multiple choice question, and additional information you can access it for free from our Telegram updates group. Just follow the link given in the description part of this video, download the Telegram app, and then follow the link. You can subscribe to our updates channel along with various updates related to our academy and exams. You'll also get free updates, like for example the very same information which we are discussing, right? So wish you all the best. Love you all.